Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, October 17th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, we have a high of 83, a low of 53, mostly cloudy, and a 23% chance of rain. Today's breakfast, cereal, yogurt, fruit, and juice. For lunch, Crispitos, black beans, corn, fruit, and juice. Today's announcement, self-assessment should be complete by now. More information on next steps for PLPs will be coming. Admin will be conducting phonics first walkthroughs for K through 3rd. Remember, this is a district mandated program that should be fully implemented with fidelity. Your students should know their routines and procedures by now. All teachers should be allowing students to do a quick daily check-in on the Rhythm app each morning. The usage of this program is being monitored by central office. Thank you to Ms. Bertolino, who is consistently using this for daily check-ins. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Pate. Late duty today is Miss Milam, tomorrow Miss Sunstall, Wednesday Miss Moore, Thursday Miss Bertolino, and Friday Miss Zimlich. More announcements. Report cards will be printed and sent home on Monday, today. We will provide honor walk invitations for those who made A, B, or perfect attendance to be sent home with the report card. Monday is statewide parenting day. Parents are invited to a parent meeting at 11:30 in the Collab Lab. At 12:30, we will begin our popsicles with parents. All students will go out to an assigned class spot to enjoy a popsicle. We are allowing around 20 minutes for this activity. You must actively monitor your students when outside enjoying your cool treat. Popsicle procedures are attached to the Friday Focus email. Also, the honor walk will take place at 1 o'clock on Thursday, 10/20. We have a few announcements from the library. Book fair is this week. Grade level schedule was sent and is in the teachers' boxes. We have the pumpkin contest ongoing. You can send those to the library. They are due by October 17th for any students that want to participate. AR has started over, so teachers don't forget to go in and set those new point goals. The library is closed during the book fair. Students have access to Mayan for ebooks to keep reading, and it takes them straight to the AR test for the test after reading. This is a great resource to use daily. We have a lot of important dates coming up. October 17th through 21st, this whole week is the book fair. October 17th today, we have statewide parenting day, popsicles with parents, Red Cross Bloodmobile, and archery interest forms are due for 4th and 5th grade. On Thursday, October 20th, we have honor walk. Friday, October 21st is Kona Ice. October 24th through 28th is Red Ribbon Week. October 24th, we have faculty meeting. October 27th is Read for the Record, which we're going to have lots of guests on campus for Read for the Record. That's an exciting day. October 28th is Feel Good Friday and Book Character Dress Up Day. November 2nd is the No Tardy Party for students with no tardies or early dismissals during the month of October. November 11th is Veterans Day. We'll have no school that day. November 16th is the PACE field trip. November 21st through 25th is Thanksgiving break. No school. Archery interest forms are due to Ms. Gibbs by today. If you need an extension, please see her sometime today to discuss. Archery tryouts will take place Wednesday after school. So make sure that you get the packet from Ms. Gibbs by the end of the day on Monday for archery tryouts. Happy birthday! Saturday we had no birthdays. On Sunday, DeQuincy Sanders celebrated a birthday, and today is Cameron Andrews' birthday. Happy birthday! We are still taking those question of the day questions, and our research team is diligently working on those. So please feel free to drop off your questions in the question of the day box container that is in the library. We would love to hear any questions that you have. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.